how Icelandic sounds to a non-Icelandic speaker. Ever wondered how your language sounds to someone who doesn't speak it? Well, let's listen. Trölvik sæmræktarnir kolsæt vindrugdraskin folmrek trostvik blenrak golmænt. Drovrilsit karlind vestrik frosvik blendrol dokvind selnor. Klarvrik drosvind kaldrik fondral poskir. Sædræk vilfro blentak toskin blomtrik sesvindar alvik goftren vestok. Darnug freskir blontak sævrik vortmek troslin feldrak kartmik dronstir. Yes, I know it doesn't sound like the actual language. That's because it's not. The channel's called Language Gibberish after all. But there'll always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what this language sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. Your comments really do make me feel psychic. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.